In this video, I'll be showing you how I made this money bouquet for my friend's birthday. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I got this money bouquet tutorials we'll be doing today. So we'll start by unboxing this package I got from Amazon. Basically, there's some supplies I ordered and they will really help for this project. You're gonna see why. So right now I just took it out of the box, and once we open, these are the goodies that come with it. I'll link it in the description below if you're interested, but I find this kit very handy and affordable. I think it cost about 20 something, $24 or so. As you can see, I already took out butterflies, which you can use to decorate your bouquet. It might be flowers or the money. You have ribbons, they come in 3 different colors. They put in some tape. We got 2 of them. As you can see right now, we have these tags you can put there if you're sending to somebody and you want to leave like a brief message. These ones are like lights. If you want to make it more decorative and bling bling, you can use the light. And this I think they're decorative pins, I would say, because they really look cute. You're gonna see they're like in the form of a needle, and it has like a glass kind of head or something. Yeah, right there. So I think it's a decorative piece. I don't know where to use it yet, but we're gonna figure it out in some other video. And it came with 2 of this light, and we have these crowns. Look at that, really pretty. So depending on how you want to decorate your bouquet, be it the flower or the money, this kit is very handy. So right now we have the paper wrap, which is great to decorate your bouquet once you're done putting them together. So they were really solid, well made, and easy to use. So get yourself this kit and it will really help you in your project. So next in the list, we're going to have some flowers. I got this from Walmart. You can get this in any store of your choice. It was really affordable, and I used this dry foam. There are other foams that they sell. If you want to use fresh flowers, I think you have to use a different foam, not this one. This one is for artificial flowers, which is what I'm using. You need some skewers. This is what I got, and I got this from Walmart too. Make sure you take the, I think it's a medium size one or the smaller one. That's the size right there. It comes 100 in a pack. And obviously we're doing a money bouquet, so we need some dollars or any currency of your choice. We need tape, and this tape dispenser is a lifesaver. So if you can get yourself one, do it. Really do it, because this really helped. It made it easy for me to cut out the tape and all of that. So I already made some of the money flower on the side because this is time consuming. I'm just gonna show you how it is made, like the technique I use for this DIY. So the pointy side is going to go at the bottom, and the flat side, that's what we're going to be putting taping down on the money. And I made sure I placed the skewer on the lip of the image that is on the money. So I just placed it on the lip, took some tape, and then taped secured it down on the money, as you can see right now. So basically you want to make sure that it's tight or it's well placed. As you can see, the skewer is not moving. So what you want to do next is to flip it and fold the money as if you're making an M kind of shape. So you fold it on either side on each side of the money, I'm sorry. And then just put your thumb and your index finger onto it just to help you to secure it to the best shape possible. And once you get the desired shape, you can go ahead and tape it out to make sure it doesn't move. You can use this technique. You can use the other techniques out there that you can use to make your money bouquet. And in the subsequent videos, whenever I come up with another project, I'll show you some other styles that you can use for this DIY. So I had to move to a new space because I had kids, my kids moving around. So I just went in and had to just change the location. So that's why we have a black table right now. Basically, I'm just showing you what I did in the previous step. See the same thing, put the skewer around the nose or the mouth of the image, secure it down with tape, turn it over and fold it on both sides like you want to have a shape of an M. Once that is done, put your thumb and your index finger in the two separate holes it's going to create and just adjust it to your liking, making sure there's no space at the bottom. And once that is done, make sure you secure that with a tape. Yeah, so that's what it is. So as you can see, I'm just trying to make it secured using the tape as I said earlier. And the reason why I'm folding it this way is so that you'll be able to see like the amount written on the bill once you turn that over. And for this $5 bill, my placement is different. So I kind of place it on the right cheek of the image, like as I'm facing the image right now. I put it somewhere around the cheek, just below that. For me, I just estimate that that's the middle. It makes it easy for me to go from that point. And once that is done, as you see, I folded that out. I have the 5 showing on both sides. And once I tape this down and I take off my index and thumb off, you will see on the inside you have 5 written on there, like so. That's how you want it to look like, so that once you start placing them onto your foam, the amount is going to show and you're going to have that design, that flower design come off. I hope you understand. So right now I'm just repeating the process again. Put the skewer around the cheek of the image, just on the side of the mouth, tape it down, make sure you press on that so that the skewer doesn't move. Fold that. This is my technique of folding. I find it easier, and use your thumb and your index finger to make sure it is secured and it has the shape you want it to. Then put a tape on it and you're done. Basically, that's just it. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and do the rest of the bills that I have, and we're going to proceed in putting them on the foam. So right now we're prepping the flowers. What I did on the side was to take off the leaves that were on the side. This is an artificial flower. I just put them together and taped it around just to keep it secured. And I put in some essential oils just to give it some rose, like some natural rose smell. And here, this is the foam. We'll be using the dry foam, and we'll start putting it at the top. And before doing that, we want to make sure we place the flower in the center. So, which is what we're doing right now. We'll put it in the center, and this is what we got. This was really tricky sometimes. So you want to make sure your flower or your rose is straight, like all the way down. If not, you might make some mistakes and you might be on the side. So right now we'll proceed in putting the dollar bills onto the foam. And one thing I will say is, while putting the dollar bills, if you try to put it too close to the flower or slant it too much, it's just gonna be spaced out. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Like right now, you see it's kind of spaced out. It's not too close to the flower. So if you put those skewers and kind of slant it too much, you're just gonna give it too much space. So what you want to do is bring it closer to the flower and try to make it a little bit straight. Either you put it a little bit straight or you give it some space where you're going to put the skewer. That way, once you put the flower, once you put in the money, it's going to sit upright. So as you can see right now, this is what I did. I just kind of did the correction on the side because it would have made the video too long, and I don't want it to be too long for you guys. So make sure you put the skewer a little bit, give it some distance, if you understand. That way your money is gonna fall in the right places without leaving any space. So once I'm done, I'm just gonna show you how the skewers look at the from the bottom. That way you can understand what I'm saying. So this is the finished product for now. As you can see, the bills are close to each other. All you have to do is just take your time to place them. Look at the bottom. You see how I had to place some of the skewers. So yeah, that is how it turned out. So right now I'm just gonna use this wrap, and it can be difficult to figure out how to place them and tape them down, but this is just my technique. What I do is just cut them into 4 separate pieces, as I'm doing right now. I'm just gonna take one and cut it into 4 different pieces. That way I'll take them and place them onto the bouquet one after the other. For me, I find it easier that way. And what I used was tape. I was really running out of time, so I was trying to get something done real quick. But you can use hot glue or any glue of your choice. That way it's not visible, kind of, if you understand. Because what I did was I used tape, and at the end of the day you'll see what I'm talking about. The tape was showing. But if you don't want it to show like that, you can use like some glue just to glue the paper down. I hope that is helpful. But again, I'm still gonna make another video sometime in the future just to show you some of the ways I wrap these bouquets. But this is one method, just using the tape, even though it's not really pretty to see the tape all around the bouquet. But this is just what I had to do it at this time because I was really running out of time. I had to go give this to my friend, so I was just rushing. But again, you can use some glue or some two-sided tape just to make it invisible. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just using that, making sure the gold part is facing up towards the money, and then I just secure that down. And later on I'm going to use a black paper to secure the bottom, tie it with a ribbon, and we got our money bouquet. Let me know in the comment section if you enjoy watching this or if you learned something, and if there's something that I'm missing or something you want to suggest or add. I really appreciate if you can say that in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for always watching. Please don't forget to share this with your friends and family. subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys so much for always supporting me. I really appreciate you all and I love you all so much. Stay safe, be good, drink some water, and be prayerful. Bye bye.